What if I told you that right now, in 2026, you do not need to know how to code to build a real working app or website? I know, that sounds a little wild, but stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to show you something that is genuinely changing the game, and it's called vibe coding. And no, you don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to be young. You just need to know how to describe what you want. That's it. I'm Jim, and this channel is all about helping people just like us, the 50 and over crowd, understand AI and actually use it to make money. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, what exactly is vibe coding? The term was coined earlier this year by a well-known AI researcher named Andrej Karpathy, and the idea is surprisingly simple. Instead of writing code yourself, line by line, learning all that technical stuff, you just talk to an AI and describe what you want to build. In plain English, you say something like, build me a simple website where people can sign up for my newsletter, and the AI just builds it right in front of you. Think of it like having a contractor who speaks your language. You don't need to know how to lay bricks. You just say, I want a 3-bedroom house with a big kitchen, and they handle all the construction. That's vibe coding. You bring the vision. The AI brings the technical muscle. Now let me give you a real example of what this looks like in practice. Let's say you want to build a simple tool that helps people write better emails using AI. In the old world, you'd need to hire a developer, spend thousands of dollars, wait weeks. With vibe coding, you open up a tool called Bolt.new. And yes, I'll put that on the screen for you. And you just type something like, create a simple web app where a user can paste a rough email draft, click a button, and get back a polished professional version. And within minutes, you have a working prototype, a real thing, that you can actually use or sell. That is not science fiction. That is Tuesday morning in 2026. Now, Bolt.new is my personal favorite place to start, but it's not the only option out there. And I want to make sure you know about a couple of others, because one of them might just click better for you. The second one is called Lovable.dev. Think of Lovable as the more design-focused cousin of Bolt. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, and it's really good at building things that look polished and professional right out of the gate. So if you want your finished product to look sharp without a lot of extra fussing, Lovable is a great choice. The third one is called Replit. Now, Replit has actually been around for a while, but they have gone all in on AI-powered building, and it shows. What makes Replit stand out is that it not only helps you build your app, it also helps you publish it and share it with the world, all in one place. So if you want to go from idea to live product as fast as possible, Replit is worth a serious look. So to recap, you've got Bolt.new, Lovable.dev, and Replit. All three are free to start. All three require zero coding knowledge, and all three are sitting there right now, waiting for you to type in your first idea. So why should you care about any of this, especially when it comes to making money? Here's the thing. Right now, there is a massive gap between people who can build digital tools and the people who actually need them. Small business owners need simple apps, local service companies need booking tools, coaches need client portals, and most of them have absolutely no idea how to build these things. You could be the person who builds them, not by learning to code, but by knowing how to describe, prompt, and direct an AI to build something useful. We're talking about a skill you could learn in a weekend and charge $300, $500, even $1,000 to build a simple tool for a small business. Or build your own tool, put it online, and charge a small monthly subscription. Even $19 a month from 50 people is almost $1,000 a month coming in. Consistently. This is real, and it is available to all of us right now. Alright, so what do you actually need to get started? Just 3 things. Number 1, pick one of the 3 tools we just talked about. Bolt.new, Lovable.dev, or Replit. Create a free account and just poke around. You can't break anything, I promise. Number 2, a free ChatGPT or Claude account. You'll use these to help you write better prompts, basically to help you describe what you want to build more clearly. Number 3, an idea, something simple, something that solves one small problem for one type of person. That's the whole list. No coding bootcamp, no expensive software, no technical background required. The biggest shift is really just mental. It's giving yourself permission to try, to describe what you want and let the AI do the heavy lifting. So here's where I want to leave you today. Vibe coding is not just a tech trend for 20-year-olds in Silicon Valley. It is a real, accessible skill. And I would argue it's one of the most powerful things someone our age can learn right now. Because we have something the younger generation honestly doesn't have yet. We have life experience. We know what problems people actually have. We know what small businesses need. We know what would genuinely make someone's day easier. Combine that with AI as your builder, and you've got something really special. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through a live demo. We're going to open up one of these tools and build something together from scratch with zero coding, so you can see exactly how this works with your own eyes. If you don't want to miss that, hit the subscribe button right now. And if this video helped vibe coding finally make sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people just like you. And drop a comment below and tell me, what is one tool or app you wish existed? You might be surprised what we can build together. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.